Hello friends, welcome back. This is one of the tutorial related to joins. In this video we'll see what are right outer joins. It returns all records from the right table and the match record from the left table. Here is the syntax of that. Select table 1 column 1 and table 1 column 2. Similarly, we can select the columns from the table 2 and then from table 1, right outer join is the keyword we need to use, and then table 2 on the common columns which are present in table 1 and table 2. Let's see how we can do it in SQL Server. Let's open SQL Server, select the database and click on new query, and then we use one of our other tutorial, that customer and order table. Let's see, select how many records we have. Let's select from orders. We have customer ID, the column which is common from table 1 and table 2. Let's do the join first. Select a star. We will change this star with the specific column what we are required for. Then customer C, and as we are doing right outer join, and then we need to specify order table and then O on C dot customer ID equal to O dot customer ID. And now we need to specify the column what we are looking for, C dot customer name, O dot item name, O dot quantity, and last column is O dot price. Let's just select them and comment them as we don't require, and then execute the query, and let's see what are the columns we are getting from. So this is the table 1, this is, and we are using right, so that means all the values, all the rows from right table will come completely. Here we can see that all the right columns are coming from the right table. These are the columns and the rows, and here is the left table. As we are using right outer join, then in the left table is coming all the matching elements, but as it is not matching the order number, let's see what is the order number here, and just uncomment it and then see what was the result. We can see that the order 7 belongs to customer IDs 5, which is not present in this customers table. Hence the values are coming for this row is null. So that's it from this video. We'll cover other joins in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.